Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 Toyota RAV4 Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number Z5806XXA. Only 78,000 miles on this local trade. Pacific Blue Metallic in color. This RAV4 seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. And backup camera for additional safety. Lots of storage space in the rear. Split seat. Folds down easily with the pull of a handle. And very clean, as you can see. This Limited has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Large, easy-to-read gauges, again only 78,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Cruise control, 4-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Easy to operate radio and CD player. Dual zone automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And large glove boxes. Under the hood, this RAV4 has a 3.5 liter V6, 269 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ5806XXA to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.